'cause I don't give a damn.
To normal after last weekend's winter storm, and the simple gesture of one of them in Martinsville is helping fast-track that, not just for himself, but his whole community.
ABC 13's Sarah Weitzman shows us how his small offer is helping make a big difference. David Dollarhide has worked as a barber in Martinsville for over 60 years. Every time there's snow, his pal and neighbor, Joe Martin, helps clear the mess.
Would you be able to do that if
No, I got a heart problem, so I can't do it.
And today, inches of ice sit outside Dollarhide's business.
these sidewalks are just terrible. Chipping away at the sidewalk there?
But as always, Martin picked up his shovel and got to work.
I'm just helping my neighbors out, so dig out, get it walkable up here so it'll get back to customers get back up here.
So this isn't even your business.
No, this is Mr. Dollarhide. He's the oldest business up here. He's about almost 90 years old. He's open for business today. He's got his customers up here who are elderly, and we need to clean it all up so they're safe.
And his good deed went beyond just one act.
Look all in front of his store, my store, and across here.
So
yesterday.
you did this entire street?
Not the entire street, I think. I think some people did a couple of these, but we did most of this stuff.
For Martin, helping one is helping all. And the businesses on each church street, they're close.
It's like a family. It really is.
In Martinsville, Sarah Weitzman, ABC 13 News.